G'day guys and girls, it's a short little video on using our Fabratection to protect the Alcantara microsuede in your car. Let's get into it.
Alcantara microsuede and other modern suede materials are a type of microfiber, so the techniques and products you're going to use to both clean and protect them are a little bit different to other fabric trims. Begin by vacuuming with an overlapping side-to-side motion. Use your machine's soft brush extension to gently agitate the low pile material and safely suck off as much from the surface as possible. Grab a bottle of our Fabra Cadabra and spray into a square bare microfiber applicator. The Fabra Cadabra is a water-based fabric cleaner that was formulated to be compatible for cleaning this material. Apply it to a small section at a time in a gentle overlapping east-west then north-south movement. Don't ever go circular or be aggressive, as you can negatively affect the microfiber surface. Also, don't oversaturate the area cleaning by using too much product. While the surface is still damp, wipe it clean with a fresh microfiber cloth. Wipe in one direction, flipping and turning it to a dry and clean side as you go. That way you won't transfer the grime you're removing back to the surface you're trying to clean. The applicator pad will gradually build up grime in it as you go, so have it a bucket of water handy and rinse it clean often. Wring the water right out before applying the Fabra Cadabra back to the pad and continuing with your cleaning. Once done, vacuum the area again in one direction against the grain of the fibres so they are standing up, and leave it for a couple of hours to completely dry. After it's dry, it's time to apply the water-based Fabratection. Begin this process by using a soft brush, like our plush brush, to brush all the fibres in one direction. Mist the Fabratection directly onto the trim from about 15 centimetres away. Do not oversaturate the surface. A light misting is all you will ever need. Once done, wipe away any overspray with a folded damp microfiber cloth. Hold your finger on the inside edge so you don't accidentally rub the fabric material. Wait 20 minutes and brush the fibres in the opposite direction before applying a second coat. Do it exactly the same as you applied the first coat. Pay extra attention to remove all the overspray and then wash the microfiber cloth out straight after use. This is so the protectant won't ever dry in it. To stop the trigger becoming blocked when stored, turn the bottle upside down and spray it till no product comes out. Leave the doors open or the windows down. Don't disturb the fabric surface for 5 to 6 hours. Now, because it's a safe water-based product, it's got a longer cure time. Don't let it get wet for the next 24 to 48 hours. Once cured, the surface is nicely hydrophobic, which helps prevent stains and allows easier cleaning of liquid spills or mishaps inside the car. I hope you've enjoyed the short video. If you've got any more questions on our Aussie-made Fabratection, please check out the link to our website in the video description below. Thank you for watching.